Connecting AutoDS to Etsy allows you to automate and streamline your dropshipping business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to integrate AutoDS with Etsy. Log into AutoDS. Begin by logging into your AutoDS account. Access Integrations. On the AutoDS dashboard, look for the Settings or Integrations tab, often located in the side menu. Connect Etsy account. In the Integrations section, find Etsy among the list of supported platforms. Click Connect Etsy or Add Etsy Store. This will redirect you to Etsy's website. Authorize AutoDS on Etsy. Etsy will ask for authorization to allow AutoDS to manage your listings, orders, and other store data. Click Authorize App to give permission for AutoDS to access your Etsy store. Configure settings. After connecting, you'll be taken back to AutoDS. Here, you can configure your preferences, such as pricing rules, inventory tracking, and automated order fulfillment. Import products. To start adding products to your Etsy store, go to the Products tab in AutoDS and begin importing items that will sync with your Etsy listings.